Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer money from Chime to Venmo instantly. So let's get started. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and sign in to your account. After that, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner and go to Settings. Then, select Payment Methods. And then, tap on Add Bank or Card, choose Bank, and start linking your Chime account. You can verify your account instantly through Plaid or manually by entering your Chime routing number and account number. Once your Chime account is linked successfully, it's time to transfer your money. Go back to your Venmo home screen and tap on Add Money or Transfer to Bank. Select your Chime account, enter the amount you want to move, and confirm the transfer. Your funds will be transferred instantly from Chime to Venmo, allowing you to use your balance right away. And that's it now. You know how to instantly send money from Chime to Venmo easily and securely. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.